You're guessing at video ideas, watching competitors, copy-pasting stats manually. Meanwhile, Claude can pull live YouTube data, analyze comments, and hand you validated video ideas in one prompt. Let's start. First, install Node.js, grab the LTS version, choose your operating system, then install it via the command line interface or get the pre-built version. Then go to console.cloud.google.com, select your project or create one if you haven't yet. Go to Enabled APIs and Services, enable the YouTube Data API v3, and create an API key under Credentials. When it asks for API restrictions, choose YouTube Data API v3. Save. That's your key. We will use it later. Now, let's move to workflow setup, and you have two ways to do that depending on how you use Claude. If you're using Claude desktop app, follow along. If not, pause video and download it from claude.com/download. The idea is to add the YouTube MCP server to it once, and Claude boots it automatically every time it launches using based on the developer feature. First, go to Settings, Developer, Edit Config. That opens Claude desktop configuration file. Paste this in, and don't forget to use your YouTube API key in that line. Save. Fully quit Claude, not just close the window, relaunch. YouTube tools are now live in every chat automatically. That's first method locked in. If you're a Claude web user instead, here's the easier route. The idea is to add the YouTube MCP server to Claude.ai, but here we haven't that developer feature, so we're gonna use Smithery as a middleman. Go to Smithery.ai, search YouTube, select the most used one, then click that Claude MCP server. Copy the link. In Claude Web, go to Customize, Connectors, Add Custom Connector, paste the link, and hit Add. Then you can choose when Claude is allowed to use these tools by customizing tool permissions. Setup done, both methods land in the same place, YouTube tools active inside Claude. Now let's actually use them. 3 prompts worth keeping. First, comment mining. Find what people actually want. Search YouTube for the top 10 most viewed videos on your niche uploaded in the last 2 weeks. For each video, fetch the top 20 comments. Identify the most repeated questions and frustrations across all 10 videos that were never addressed. Give me exactly 3 video ideas the audience is hungry for. You now have 3 ideas and a list of unaddressed frustrations. So let's move to idea validation. Search YouTube for your chosen video idea. Show me the top 10 results with views and published dates. Is this topic oversaturated, underleveraged, or trending? What title angle is missing from the current results? Idea validated. Now take everything you've gathered, the frustrations from prompt 1, the gap from prompt 2, and turn it into an actual script. This is where it all comes together. Search YouTube for chosen video idea and close title variations. Pull the top 5 to 8 results from the last 30 days. Fetch captions or transcripts where available, and note any without. 3 prompts, 1 pipeline from what does my audience want to a finished script. You're not watching competitors anymore. 1 more before you go. Go to YouTube Studio, Analytics, Advanced Mode, and download your CSV. Drop that file into Claude and paste this. Analyze this YouTube Studio Analytics CSV. Summarize total views, watch time, and subscriber change. Identify my top 5 videos, key traffic sources, and any notable trends. Then give me 3 actionable recommendations to improve channel performance. Comment mining, idea validation, script teardowns, a data analyst, all running on the official YouTube API right inside Claude. Like and subscribe for more AI tools that actually matter.